Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import the attribute and variants of product. Okay, so as you all know that what you mean by an attribute, right? So different product have different attribute. If I'm taking a cloth as a product, this particular cloth have different kind of attributes such as size, brand, something like that. And each of the attribute have different kind of values or variants inside that, right? So manually, specifying that particular attribute and variants of each product is a little bit tough process. So how you can simply import them using an XLSS format in Odoo 19. So here in this video, I'm going to show you that in a simple way. So without wasting any time, let's directly move into the video. So now let's see how to import the attribute and values in Odoo 19. So before that, we need to configure one option under the settings of the sales, inventory or purchase. You can choose from them. So here I'm choosing it as inventory, and moving on to the configuration settings. Under the product side, there you can see a variant option. Okay. So here we have the product, and now you can see the variant option. It's enabled to set the product attribute like color, size, and you can also manage the variants and values. Okay. So it's enabled. Once you're enabled, please do hit the save button. So once you hit the save button, you can see the internal link of the attributes. Okay. So by moving on to the internal link of the attribute, now you can see the existing attribute and the values from here itself. So if you want to see the values as well, you can add a custom field and you can provide it as value, or you can click on the particular attribute and now you can see the attribute values, which is values like Adidas, Apple, Ariel, Canon, because the attribute name is a brand. Okay, now you can see this. So for creating a new attribute, what you need to do, you can click on the new button. You need to provide the attribute name separately. You need to provide how you need to display this into the purchase and the sales module once you are purchasing and selling the product to any customer or a vendor. And there we have the variant creation, how you need to create the variants, and there we have the attribute values and what are the values that you need to provide, and you need to manually provide the each and every values that corresponding to the attribute. Okay, so that's I think it's a little bit tough procedure. You need to do each and every attribute and value separate way and providing the display type and variant creation as well. So here in Odoo, you can simply import them using a simple method. Let me show you how we can do that. I'm going to discard this. Once I'm discarding it, I can see a gear icon. So before moving on to that, I've already prepared a spreadsheet and I'll show you how you can completely prepare a spreadsheet and how you can provide the attribute name, display type, variant creation mode and values. Okay. So we need to specifically ensure something inside the spreadsheet. I will explain you. First of all, you need to provide the correct field name, which is attribute name, display type, variant creation mode, values and everything. So if you don't have any idea about how to import them, you can simply move to the attribute itself. Okay. And if I'm going to select any of the attribute, if I want to see this, I can simply move to the action side and I can export it. Okay, by exporting you can provide the template that you need. If I don't want the sequence, like I will show you, if I don't want the sequence, I can remove this, but I need attribute, display type and variant creation. If I want the values as well, I can also search for them. Okay, I need values. So here we have the value. I'm going to select them, and if I want anything else, I can also select, and you can simply click on the export button and there you can see them. Okay, for this kind of thing, I don't have a separate format. That's why I don't want to see. But here in this way, you can simply create an XLSX format and you can simply export them and you can see them as well. Okay, so that's how you can take the particular field from here itself. Once you're done with it, now let's close this. And moving on to the product, I've just selected the particular field and the values as well. So now you can see the attribute name is new color, the display type is color, the variant creation mode is instantly, and the values are there. Okay, so once you're providing the value, you need to provide the value, each of the value in different rows, not giving any commas inside a particular column. You need to provide that different rows. So once you're providing that, it will only matching to the particular attribute or the attribute once you're importing that. So you need to ensure that the each and every values are different rows. Once you're done with that, now you can see each and every details. So now I'm going to the file and you can simply download this okay, using the Microsoft Excel, and I've already downloaded it. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm moving to the attribute. Let me remove these two things. And I'm moving to the gear icon. There you can see import records. Okay, by clicking on the import records, now you can see you can upload the data file. By clicking on there, you can see the downloaded files. So you can select from here. So I'm selected my downloaded file. Once I'm done with that, now you can see you need to fetch each file column with the Odoo field. So the attribute name is fetched with the attribute, and the display type is display type. There you can see the variant creation mode is fetched with the variant creation, and the value is basically value slash value. So you need to understand, sometimes if you're providing the values as value, it actually providing it as value. Like, let me show you. There we have different kind of values. Okay. So if it is provided as value, and if you're moving onto the test side, it is not matched. So what you need to do instead of that, you can move to the value side, and you can select the value slash value. Okay. So here I'm going to select it as value slash value. Now you can see them. Okay, I'll show you. We need value and value. Okay. Value slash value. There you can see the value slash value. Once you're done with it, you can fetch it. So once you're done, let's test this. By clicking on test, you can see everything seems valid. Once you say this particular blue color line, which means everything seems valid, you can simply import them. Okay. So I've already show you the particular the spreadsheet. So here in my spreadsheet I have three sheets, which is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So here I'm choosing it as sheet 1. So corresponding to that, if you are importing anything, you need to choose the exact sheet from here itself. Okay, so it's sheet 1. Once I'm done with that, now let's import it. So once I'm imported my new attribute, and the values, display type and variant creation is completely imported. Now you can see this. Okay, by clicking on each of them, all things are created, and there you can see the corresponding values of that attribute as well. Okay, I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another good tutorial inside Odoo 19. So till that, bye-bye.